Older women who are open to being approached might exhibit some of these 20 signs. So let's begin the video. 1. She openly flirts with you. 2. She may be quite mature in her behavior with others, but with you, she is different. 3. She may act like a little kid with you who is excited and giggly all the time. 4. She's texting you late at night, means she is thinking of you at that odd hour. It could reflect her attraction toward you because she thinks of you at night and texts you. 5. She turns towards you and leans in. 6. She goes out of her way to do things with you. 7. If she talks about marriage and serious commitment with you, it could mean she trusts you and probably wants you to know what's on her mind. 8. She shares dirty jokes only with you. She may like you and does not mind you seeing her naughty side. 9. She mentions other men's interest in her. 10. She starts conversations and listens to you attentively. 11. She tells you she's single. 12. She may touch you often either playfully or subtly. 13. She may accidentally brush up or stumble against you, fix your tie or speck off your clothes. 14. She looks at you and holds your gaze. 15. She asks you about your love life. 16. She seems to show up around you or increase the amount of time they are close to you when they are into you. 17. She asks you lots of personal questions. 18. She makes the first move. 19. Finding common ground. Expressing shared interests or finding similarities can suggest a desire to establish a connection. 20. Looking for opportunities to extend interaction. Actively seeking ways to continue the conversation or suggesting future meetups implies an interest in further interaction. Remember, these signs are not universal and could vary based on individual personalities and situations. Pay attention to cues and always respect her boundaries. Confidence, respect, and genuine interest are crucial when approaching someone, regardless of age.